As a longtime user of Microsoft Outlook and email, I can tell you that if you're open to picking up a few keyboard shortcuts, you might just be able to tame your mailbox. How? By getting more efficient at processing your inbox items. Here are 5 Outlook keyboard shortcuts that can help. Number 1, mark a message as read. If you use the reading pane, you might have Outlook set to mark messages as read when the selection changes, or you can press Ctrl-Q to manually mark it as read. Number 2, press Ctrl-Shift-V as in Victor to take the selected message or messages and move them to another mailbox folder. Type the name of the folder you want to select and press Enter to make the messages go. Number 3, go to a specific mailbox folder. Press Ctrl-Y and type the name of the folder and press Enter. Number 4, press Ctrl-Shift-I to go back to the inbox. And number 5, press Delete or Ctrl-D to delete the selected message or messages. In Outlook, on the Help tab, click Help and search for keyboard shortcuts to find them all.